Hey guys, this is Asia back for the first time with a design video. This is going to be a modern neutral nursery design on a budget. Everything is going to be from Target. So a little background on me if you don't know, I am a designer. These are actually some examples of some work that I've done for a client here on YouTube. She's a blogger named Lisa, and everything we worked on, we did online. The results were great, and I am, thinking I'm starting this new segment on my channel, some design inspiration, if you will. I'll also put links below if you would like to work with me or check out my portfolio and hire your girl, because that's the goal. But yeah, hope you like this video. Thumbs up and comment below if you have designs that you want to see from me. So starting off, this is the design that I put together. These are going to be the core pieces. Also comment below if you want to see another video on how I accessorize. So this is me just on Pinterest searching and looking for my inspiration, and the top hits were all very much a modern crib, a kind of a shag rug or a boho inspired rug, as well as animal prints on the wall. So these are going to be what I'm using for my inspiration for this design. Everything that I'm going to be using is going to be from Target, as I said before. I think I'm going to do this series this way, and maybe do it one from IKEA and one from, or maybe Land of Nod, or other stores. Yeah, let me know if you want to see a certain store, a certain design. I'm down to do it. So the first thing I'm going to be looking for is a crib. I want something that's very modern, kind of similar to what I'm seeing in the Pinterest photos. A lot of these are very traditional and curvy, beautiful, but not really what I'm looking for. Looking for something a little bit more modern. And I think this Storkcraft Beckett is going to be the one. I like the legs on it. I like the minimalism and the modern look of it. It kind of reminds me of what I've seen in the Pinterest posts. And I think it's a great price as well. So usually, I'm going to go with this one. Usually these types of cribs cost, upwards of $300, $400, $500. So I think this price is really good. Okay, so we've got our core piece, our crib. And the next thing I'm going to do is look for my rug. The one in this photo is kind of a patchwork rug. Those tend to be a little bit pricey, so I'm not sure we're going to find anything quite like that on Target. But we're going to find something that has a similar vibe. And maybe we can also use the rug to bring in some color. I originally wanted to do a gray rug, but everything was so neutral. I went with this Persian floral tufted rug. And for our third core piece, actually, I went with this rocker and this cantilever floor lamp, which is also really greatly priced and in brass. I think it's a nice addition. I found some great prints as well. We've got a little bunny, a giraffe, and a llama. These tassel curtains are so cute. I also found these pom-pom curtains on Target as well. So I'm going to go with these because I just love the little pom-poms in gray. So cute. Here I'm just adding a little stuffed animal to the board just to, up the cuteness factor a little bit. So the next core piece is going to be a dresser. We got to have some place to put those baby, clothes and things. So again, I'm looking for something modern, a little bit minimal. and you know, something that kind of looks like it fits in with the crib. I think this Carter's Da Vinci dresser with the gray, you know, accent is really good for this design. I was going to do this gray rug. I really like this gray rug, so I'll put the info for the gray rug in the, you know, lower half, but I ended up going with this Persian, and I think just the, you know, design came together really nicely. And yeah, that was a little quick neutral nursery design. All the links are below, so if you are looking for some help with your neutral nursery, here it is. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.